Welcome to a thought-provoking journey through a hypothetical scenario. I am Shivendra Rajput. Today, we delve into the realm of imagination and explore the possibilities of what would happen if a uniform civil code were implemented in India. This contentious topic has been a subject of debate for years. Let's imagine a world where a uniform set of laws governs personal matters for all citizens, regardless of their religion. Segment 1. Introduction to the Uniform Civil Code. To begin our exploration, let's understand the essence of a uniform civil code. It proposes a unified set of laws for all citizens, irrespective of their religious beliefs, aiming to harmonize personal laws in matters such as marriage, divorce, inheritance, and adoption. Advocates argue that it promotes equality, secularism, and gender justice. However, critics have expressed concerns about the potential infringement on religious freedoms and cultural diversity. Segment 2. The pros of a uniform civil code. Equality and justice. Legal scholar emphasizing the importance of equal rights for all citizens. Highlighting instances where personal laws have created disparities and discrimination. Gender equality and women's rights. Narration of a woman who faced discrimination due to prevailing personal laws. Women's rights activist sharing insights on the need for gender equality under a uniform civil code. Social cohesion and national integration. Citizens from various religions expressing their perspectives on unity and national identity. Examination of countries with a uniform civil code, showcasing potential benefits for societal cohesion. Segment 3. The challenges and concerns, religious freedom and cultural diversity. Representatives from different religious communities sharing their concerns about potential erosion of traditions and practices. Experts discussing ways to safeguard religious freedom while implementing a uniform civil code. Implementation challenges. Legal experts discussing the practical difficulties involved in implementing a uniform civil code. Exploring the experiences of countries that have attempted similar reforms, highlighting the lessons learned. Segment 4. Future possibilities and alternative approaches, incremental reforms. Academics discussing the possibility of gradual changes to personal laws while respecting religious diversity. Examples of countries that have opted for incremental reforms, presenting their outcomes and challenges. Individuals from diverse backgrounds sharing their views on the importance of preserving customs and personal choices. Experts explaining how a uniform civil code could incorporate provisions for accommodating regional customs and practices. Segment 5. Conclusion and reflections. As our exploration comes to an end, we recognize the complexity of the topic and the importance of an inclusive dialogue. While the idea of a uniform civil code seeks to ensure equality and justice, it also calls for a delicate balance between individual rights and collective harmony. It is up to society to reflect, debate, and find common ground that respects both the principles of secularism and the diversity of our nation. Imagine the possibilities. Our journey today has allowed us to contemplate a world where personal laws are uniform across religions. It is an invitation to reflect on the values of unity, equality, and justice that underpin our society. Thank you for joining us on this imaginative exploration of the implementation of a uniform civil code in India. Remember to engage in respectful discussions and continue the pursuit of a society that embodies the principles of fairness, harmony, and respect for all. Jai Hind.